Hey y'all, I'm Joella Bates. Some of you may know me from competitions and some from my adventures in the field, but whichever it is, I'm here today to talk about an extremely serious issue that many in the sport of archery seem to want to ignore, and that I'm here to tell you, you absolutely cannot ignore this. The issue I'm talking about is the catastrophic failure and the critical injuries that archers are getting to their bow hand and forearm from damaged carbon arrows. Again, I don't know why people in the sport don't want to recognize this risk. You know, it's almost as if they're saying, if we ignore it, it'll go away. Well, as long as shooters are participating in the sport of archery, I'm here to tell you, it's not going away. And especially today's shooters. We're shooting high-powered bows and carbon arrows. To ignore this risk is kind of like a football player not recognizing the potential for injury and choosing to not put on pads and a helmet. The Protex handguard is the only real effective choice for bow hand protection, and when it's used correctly and in conjunction with an arm guard, it provides the archer with the most protection available today. Now that you have your hand and forearm taken care of, you need to know how to accurately check your bow and your arrows for damage or any potential mechanical issues. With your bow, you want to check your cams, your string, your D-loop, the nocking points, your limbs, and your riser. Make sure they're all in good working order. While checking the bow, be sure to check your mechanical release. That is, if you use one. As for the arrows, you want to check each one individually and thoroughly. You want to look for small fractures or any splintering. Flex each arrow to ensure that the integrity of the shaft is optimal and that it's up for the day's shooting. Also, check the nock. Make sure there's no damage and that you hear it snap onto the string. Now when you're out there shooting, you might miss a target, or you might have two arrows hit close together. Be sure that when you retrieve those arrows, that you double check them. Make sure they're good for the next shot. You know, safety isn't just a before and after exercise. It has to be done all throughout the course of your shooting. To help you remember to be safe on the range and in the field, the good folks at Shooting Edge, the makers of the Protex handguard, have initiated a safety awareness program. It's called Bow Safe, and it's to remind archers to go through this safety inspection checklist each and every time you get ready to shoot. You know, if you practice these safety measures each time, before, during, and after you shoot, you'll greatly reduce the chance for serious injury. Hey, thanks for watching, and I wish you great results on the range and in the field. And remember, be safe with Bow Safe. By the way, accuracy is king. If you want to shoot more accurately, especially in the summertime when we're sweating, you need to put on a Protex handguard. It keeps your hand perfectly placed in the riser, shot after shot.